Hi everybody, we got a new toy to play with here. Look at this, we got a capacitor. How much is this? This one is 2200 microfarads, 500 volts DC. So I wonder how much fun we can have with this. I think this one has a total energy of nearly 300 joules. So I wonder what we can pop with this. 300 joules. Or that's maybe a little bit too little for this. We need more energy. It's not enough. That's a small capacitor. We need to have a bigger one. That's gone. Here we got a proper capacitor. Look at the size of this thing. It's absolutely massive. It weighs a ton. And yes, let's have a look what this thing is. "350 volts. Total energy contents of 37 kilojoules, fully charged." That's a lot of energy. That's a lot. I wonder what I can pop with this capacitor. Or rather, what I can't pop with this. This is actually not one capacitor. This thing is lots of capacitors. But actually, I can take it away from this board. So you can see how many capacitors there are in there. Because there's a massive amount of capacitors inside it. They are mounted on sections, as you will see soon. There are 15 sections in there. And 18 capacitor on each section. Let's have a closer look. Yes, as you can see, I tipped it over and undid the screws here. So I can remove this little wheel plate. It's dirty. Let's have a look on this. Here are the capacitors. That's a bloody ton of capacitors inside it. Actually it is. It's extremely heavy. Let's see what we got. Siemens capacitors, of course. 360 volts. 1150 microfarads. And there are 18 on each board. And there are 15 boards. 270 capacitors. There were no capacitors here, there were a charger. I'm gonna show you that charger, how it looked like. Yes, here we got it. Here's the charger itself. Nothing that I need. The biggest is this big thing is a discharge resistor. And yes, power comes in on the front here, some signal monitoring. That's actual discharge switch. And that part here goes onto the bus bars. You see the bus bars on the back. The big silver aluminium rods there. This is a huge capacitor. I wonder what I can do with this. What I can pop with it. Or rather what I can't pop with it. I'm gonna put that one in there. Yes, and I will build a little plate on the top. So I can connect these capacitors on it as well. I have 3 of these and 3 black ones. So it's the same what is it called? Rating. So I could connect those capacitors as well, so we can get more energy. I think 37 kilojoules is a bit too much. Maybe 20 kilojoules is makes much more sense. So yes. Anyway, that's a lot of capacitors. So there's lots of more nice videos to come. Massive destruction. I wonder what stuff I can do with this. Maybe I'll test some multimeter and see what happens. Multimeter flamethrower. Yes, thanks for watching.